Hello folks, this is our life here in our village. Guys, I'm going to prepare a sayote with Ligo sardines. Ito guys, ayuda from the barangay. Ito. Sardines, kape, corn beef, plus rice. Ang medyo nakaka-suspense guys to. Itong gamit namin guys. Lumulutang na kasi paubos na hindi namin alam kung may naraos namin. Hanggang sa mawala yung tubig guys. Tignan nyo. Nakalutang na. Aabot pa kaya. Aabot pa kaya guys. Ayan. Tingnan natin kung meron pa. Ayun guys, meron. Sana umabot hanggang sa matuyuan yung tubig guys. Apat na araw ng ganito guys. Oh. I'm going to prepare sayote with sardines. Ayuda from the barangay. Yeah guys. I'm going to gisa sibuyas bawang. For those who want to learn how to cook, just simply watch my videos. If you're interested, my nonsense videos. So guys, of course, if the pan is already hot, as a hot lady. Oh, yeah. Yes. Okay, some oil. Don't put too much oil, so it's not good for the health. Yeah. No more. The oil also running out. Yeah. A little oil only. This is our life here, guys. This is already the fourth day that there's water inside the house. Okay. Started Saturday night, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Today's Wednesday. Yeah. Okay. It's good that we're still, you know. So that's that. I love the smell. My goodness. Yeah. The smell of the onion. No. The bawang. Okay, garlic, I should say. And this is the onion. Like, yeah. Ito guys, oh. Ito yung dumating na ayuda. Yes. Hindi siya na ayuda guys. Yeah. Dati matutuyuan muna yung ano. Medyo konting oil pa. Konti. Kasi nasunog na. Yeah. Now, the first so yeah. Oh, wow, that's good. Matama na. Ito lang, pwede na. Pwede na natin sikurin. Dami na ako, no? Oh, grabe. Right. Sa mga medyo nakapas ganito ang discard eh. Kanya wang manda eh. Kanya rao. Yan. Kanya guys. Kanyaw. Guys. Dalawang kanyaw. Yes. Kaka-suspense yung gas namin dito. Of course, we cannot deliver. Kasi sa labas guys, alam nyo, dito, sana sa kalsada, hanggang dito ang madami. Dalawang. Now, I have to put the sayote. Sayote. Yeah. Right, ito lang, madaling magluto. Hindi matinangay, I'm going to add some water. So, wow, it's hot. It's hot. Some water. It's all my life. So good. konting tubig guys. Panluto dun sa ano. Panluto dun sa sayote. Ayan. Magandang guys pagluto. Oh. Yes. Tapos takip-takip. Let's cover the takip. Guys, yan. Napakasimple yung ano, diba? Mabilisan to. Laking bagay guys. See you later. And enjoy this also later. See you. Bye. Just keep on watching. Yeah. A big hug. Yeah. Bye-bye folks. Love you more.